After Nvidia's impressive performance in 2024 as a top performer in the S&P 500, rising 171%, the question remains, can Nvidia repeat this success and surpass $200 in 2025? 2024 was nothing short of extraordinary for Nvidia. They even had to do a 10-to-1 stock split in June after breaking through that astronomical $1,000 level. Their H100 GPU basically became the iPhone of AI computing. You want to run serious AI applications? You're probably using Nvidia's hardware. The numbers tell the story. Their data center revenue shot up by 217%, hitting $47.5 billion, which is more than just growth. That's dominance. Here's a fact that will blow your mind. A 2024 poll of over 3,000 Nvidia employees showed that 76% of them consider themselves millionaires. 37% are worth over $20 million. I mean, talk about being at the right place at the right time. Since 2019, the stock has climbed nearly 3,800%. Those stock options are surely paying off. But here's where it gets interesting for us as investors. Since hitting record highs in November, Nvidia has been taking a bit of a breather, consolidating between $150 at the top end and $130 at the bottom end. Now, I'm watching for a break above that all-time high because that could signal the start of another major uptrend towards $200 per share. Let's look at some reasons as to why we can be optimistic about Nvidia's future. As you could expect, they're not just sitting on their laurels. They're innovating like crazy, rolling out new chips specifically designed for AI PCs. The recently launched GeForce RTX 50 series, built on the revolutionary Blackwell architecture, represents a fundamental leap forward in AI processing capabilities. These chips are faster and more efficient, tailored for cutting-edge AI applications, ensuring Nvidia stays ahead of the competition in both consumer and enterprise markets. If you think about it for a sec, AI in your personal computer, that's not science fiction anymore. That's happening right now. They're also making some brilliant moves in the self-driving car space. Partnerships with companies like XPeng and Uber. That's Nvidia positioning itself for the future of transportation. Nvidia is already dominating the AI chip market, so these partnerships will likely strengthen their grip further. Beyond chips, Nvidia is stepping into the next level with its AI cloud infrastructure. They're not just selling chips anymore, they're creating an ecosystem where customers can access powerful AI tools directly through their cloud services. This strategy isn't just a revenue booster, it's a game changer for profit margins, allowing Nvidia to capture value across the entire AI supply chain. Using that old saying, it's like they're not just selling picks and shovels in the AI gold rush, they're now operating the mine itself. Another key area driving Nvidia's growth is data center infrastructure. As companies transition to accelerated computing, Nvidia's GPUs are becoming critical components of the AI-powered data centers of tomorrow. This trend not only strengthens Nvidia's current revenue streams, but also establishes a long-term foundation for growth in a market that's still expanding rapidly. One of the key headwinds, however, Nvidia is facing is the Biden administration's tighter restrictions on AI chip exports to China. This is a significant challenge because China has been one of Nvidia's largest growth markets for advanced GPUs. The new export curbs aimed at ultimately limiting China's access to cutting-edge AI technology could potentially reduce Nvidia's revenue and limit access to a rapidly growing market. For a company that has a significant reliance on international sales, this could temper growth expectations. What makes Nvidia even more remarkable is its ability to form strategic partnerships that enhance its influence across industries. Beyond their work with automotive giants, they're collaborating with companies in healthcare, finance, and entertainment. In healthcare, Nvidia's AI platforms are revolutionizing drug discovery, with partnerships like Schrödinger helping to accelerate innovation in the pharmaceutical space. Their medical imaging solutions are also driving breakthroughs in diagnostics, improving patient outcomes. In finance, their GPUs power high-frequency trading systems and risk management modules. And in entertainment, Nvidia technology is behind the stunning visual effects in many blockbuster movies. These partnerships are not just revenue generators, they're solidifying Nvidia's role as an indispensable part of the tech ecosystem. Analysts seem to be bullish on Nvidia in 2025. Bank of America called it a top pick with a $190 price target. Wedbush analyst said that Jensen Huang's keynote speech at the Consumer Electronic Trade Show felt more like a rock concert vibe rather than a tech CEO speech. They're talking about a potential $5 trillion market cap in the next year and a half. Mind-blowing. No company has ever reached that level before. Nvidia is currently locked in a battle with Apple to be the first company to hit the $4 trillion market cap. So the race is very much on for that spot in the history books. Now, in terms of our personal portfolio, we've been holding Nvidia since early 2023. We bought in right when Cathie Wood was publicly selling, saying the stock had no legs. The stock has since climbed over 1,000% and also had that 10-to-1 stock split. It just goes to show why having a systematic approach beats following opinions. Now, in terms of challenges, AMD and Intel aren't just sitting around. They're coming for Nvidia's crown in the AI chip market. There's also the whole regulatory situation with AI chip export restrictions to China, as already mentioned. Plus, quantum computing could shake things up in the future. In terms of stock performance, Nvidia has had 3 major uptrends in its history, with the last 2 seeing gains of around 1,000%, making investors very, very happy. And given Nvidia's weight in the major indices, when they win, the whole market tends to win as well. This is exactly why we focus on companies with proven track records of success. Nvidia's story isn't just about technology. It's about recognizing and riding massive trends that reshape our world. So what do you think about Nvidia's prospects for 2025? Do you think the momentum of 2024 will continue through 2025 and the stock will move up? Or has it run out of steam and will we see declines? Let me know in the comments below and share any other stocks you think are going to go up in 2025. Okay, so let's dive a bit deeper into Nvidia's AI cloud strategy. They're not just selling chips anymore. They're building their own AI cloud infrastructure. They're creating an entire ecosystem where customers can access powerful AI tools directly. Nvidia's approach to continually investing in the developer ecosystem should also be admired. They understand that their success isn't about just having the best hardware, it's about making that hardware accessible and useful to developers worldwide. Their CUDA platform has become the de facto standard for AI development, creating a moat that competitors find incredibly hard to cross. When we talk about the influence on the broader market, we're not just talking about their direct competitors. Their performance affects everything from semiconductor equipment manufacturers to data center operators. When Nvidia moves, it creates ripples throughout the entire tech ecosystem. And let's not forget about Nvidia's corporate culture of innovation. You know, those employee millionaire statistics I mentioned earlier? That's not just about stock performance. It's about creating an environment where talented people want to stay and contribute to the company's future. In the tech world, that's absolutely priceless. Nvidia's story is far from over. Yes, the stock has had an incredible run. Yes, there are challenges ahead. But when you have a company that consistently positions itself at the forefront of technological revolution, that's something special. If you want to invest in market-leading stocks like Nvidia, having the right tools is essential for a successful year. In this video, I share tips to start the year strong in the market and explain what I would do if I was starting to invest in 2025.